Hey everybody, Teacher Dana here. Today I will be talking to you about Manycam. Manycam, I'm sure all of you have heard or seen how awesome it can be in your classroom, but it's a little scary, right? I remember being petrified of using it, and so finally I got tired of printing, I got tired of spending all the money on props and not having enough room in my classroom to store all my props. So Manycam saves you money and saves you time. Two of my favorite things. So let's go. Teacher problems. I just grabbed my mic. So disclaimer, I will be doing this a lot for no apparent reason at all. So be prepared. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google Slides, VIPKID Google Slides. I'm going to go to My Drive, because in My Drive, I have my personal planner, which is another tutorial. Megan Locke has a good tutorial on VIPKID Google Slides official on how to get your own personal planner. So I'm going to open my personal planner. I'm going to go into my VIPKID portal. And I'm going to select the students I have next. So I'm just going to drag, Control C, or right click and copy. Then I'm going to go to my drive, my class planner. I'm going to go to input my schedule. Click on the first thing, Control V, or right click and push paste. And then I'm going to get rid of this last one. Okay, so then you can go to D, right click, and then sort sheet A to Z to get the times right. Okay, so now you see I have 3 classes starting from 5 a.m. and ending at 6:30. So now I'm going to go to planner. This is what I love about Google Slides and this entire planner. So now I have each student, their times, and what lessons they have. What's even better is here I have their Google Slides props already handed to me. So I'm going to get some of these open so that you can see how I pull it in through Manycam. Okay, so now while those are loading, I'm going to open Manycam. And that, if you haven't downloaded Manycam yet, go to manycam.com. And our 6 Apple cards will get us a nice discount there. There's also a Facebook group called VIPKID Digital Props, and they also have a coupon code if you're not a 6 Apple teacher. What I do is, if I'm using the VIPKID Chrome to do my classes and I remove that one, then I move over the Google Slides to the side like this. And then I make it like this big. So let's move these all over. And let's choose Princess Coloring Book as a reward, so I can show you how to pull in fun rewards. Okay, the presenter view, you don't want to hit just present. It's going to make the whole screen present. You're going to click this arrow and you're going to go to presenter view. Click that. Click this, click the X there. Okay, so I have the Google Slides ready. My VIPKID portal. Okay, so this is how I fit it all on my screen, and I do this, I keep them in tabs open on Chrome on this off to the side. And if I have more than 3 classes, then I make another one just like this and put it directly behind it. So like what I'll do is I'll just take this, drag another one over, make it the same size, right? And then drag this one over. And then when I'm done, I can just click out of these. Okay, So this is how you use Manycam. Finally we're here. So here's my first preset. How I got this camera is I right click and it gives you a choice of the cameras you have available on your computer. If you have a webcam, this is my webcam, this is what's built into the computer, and I have no idea what Cyberlink webcam splitter is. I might need to figure that out. First, I just want my view through Manycam. So this is the first preset you need to make. Just you on your camera. That's it. So just pick your camera, click OK, and then there you have your first preset. Second preset, I'm going to cut this. Then I'm going to add myself. Okay, and then I'm going to go up here to presets. I'm going to click on preset 2, click add new layer. Okay, so now we have another preset. Now what's good about this is you can adjust the size of it to whatever you want, and you can move it around on the Manycam screen. You can move it to any location that you would like. So then I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to go down to desktop, custom area. So I'm going to take this. So I'm moving this custom screen over to my Google Slides document. And I like it because you can adjust the size of that as well. So this is me making my second preset so that they can see a little bit if that's what you choose. The third one I like to make is the full screen and me small. So I'm going to click add here to the third one. I'm going to go to desktop first, custom area first. So here, custom area. And then I'm going to move it over again. Look at that. Perfect. So that's the whole screen. Now I'm going to go back up to presets here, and I'm going to add new layer to this preset number 3. All right, so there you see a new layer. I'm going to add myself. And then I'm going to make this really small. So that way I can move this around and I'm not in the way of what the prop is. So now it's really simple. So we're back to the first preset. And how you switch from presets is you go here, cut. I know there are ways that you can do it by like a click of a button. I just haven't figured that out yet. Anyway, so now what I do is I just flip from one Google slide to the next. So now I'm like, oh, okay, look, it's a coloring book. Color. And I can make myself big, or I can make the prop big or the reward big or small. So I love that because then I can show them this way. I want to go to how you can write on the screen. So let's go down to draw, and you can add a text by clicking this button, and you can change the color of your text and also the filler. So let's make it my favorite color, green. And you can also move this. So look, you can move it on the screen. It's really nice. So for right now, we'll just leave it at this. And so I saw at VIPKID Journey a really awesome idea on how to teach conjugation. So type here in this text box, he eats, she eats, it eats, we eat, you eat. You can make it scroll. You can make it scroll left to right, right to left, top to bottom. Let's do top to bottom. So here, this is where you control the speed. So whoa, really fast, but also then really slow. So this is how a teacher brilliantly came up with the idea to teach conjugation, especially for level 2 interactive that does not have these on the slide, and you have to teach it first. So this is really good practice. Then you can also draw. Well, I love that too. So let's let's go down here to draw, and you can click on the pencil or the pen. You can pick out a color that you want, and then you can pick out the size of the pen. So let's make it really fat. Hi. So there you go. You can write on the screen. It's great. It works out really, really great. And then this is how you clear it, or you can undo a line if you prefer. You can rotate, you can add picture in picture if you wanted to. Here's how you add effects. So let's go to the classroom. Nonsense. Great, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Okay. So I go here to my setting. If you go to camera, you want to select, Manycam virtual webcam. Okay, select that, because then that's going to actually pull through. Don't choose your normal webcam. Choose the Manycam virtual webcam. Hit done. You're going to go back to Manycam. You're going to go to effects, and I'm going to go to my favorites just because that's what I use most. Okay, so here is Meg, and here is Mike. So you saw that I just clicked those, right? You can move Meg and Mike around, no problem. So that's how you add effects. Look, VIPKID, America, Mango. They have some face accessories. If you go back up here and go to the left to the magical wand, you can get borders. They already have some borders here available for you. And then you can also, so how you get rid of them again, borders, just click on it again and that gets rid of them. So you can get more, or you can download some, which I love it. When you click get more, it takes you to Manycam website where you can just download effects straight into there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and try to get rid of some of these. So you just click them again. That's how you get rid of them. Now, let's say you want to add one to favorite, to your favorite group right here, this heart. So I'm going to go to objects, because that seems to be where a lot of my effects are going, is in objects. So I have here, like this mooncake. This was a favorite for a while, but I removed it. You just click this heart right here, and it immediately puts it into your favorite objects to show through Manycam. So what I do is I go up here to my Manycam. When I'm ready to change my preset, I just quickly say, look at teacher, look, when you do a good job, you know, let's color the princess. Right, and so I just keep clicking the Google Slides off to the side and it shows on the screen. Okay guys, I hope this helped you today, and I am ready and willing to answer any questions that you have about this. This can be very confusing and it's a lot at first, so I will help you as much as I can. Making these videos is a lot of work, okay?